King Prthu was greater than the greatest soul, and was therefore worshipable by everyone. He performed many glorious activities in ruling over the surface of the world, and was always magnanimous. After achieving such great success and a reputation which spread throughout the universe, he at last obtained the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. A responsible king or chief executive has many responsible duties to attend to in ruling over the citizens. The most important duty of the monarch or the government is to perform various sacrifices as enjoined in the Vedic literatures. The next duty of the king is to see that every citizen executes the prescribed duties for his particular community. It is the king's duty to see that everyone perfectly executes the duties prescribed for the Varna and Ashrama divisions of society. Besides that, as exemplified by King Prthu, he must develop the earth for the greatest possible production of food grains. There are different types of great personalities. Some are positive great personalities, some comparative and some superlative, but King Prthu exceeded all of them. He is therefore described here as Mahatma, greater than the greatest. Maharaj Prthu was a Kshatriya, and he discharged his Kshatriya duties perfectly. Similarly, Brahmins, Vaishyas and Shudras can discharge their respective duties perfectly, and thus at the ultimate end of life be promoted to the transcendental world, which is called Parampadam. Parampadam, or the Vaikuntha planets, can be achieved only by devotional service. The impersonal Brahm region is also called Parampadam, but unless one is attached to the personality of Godhead, one must again fall down to the material world from the impersonal Parampadam situation. It is said, therefore, Arya Kritrana Parampadam Tata, the impersonalists endeavor very strenuously to achieve the Parampadam, or impersonal Brahmjyoti, but unfortunately, being bereft of a relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they come down again to the material world. If one flies in outer space, he can go very high up, but unless he reaches a planet, he must come down again to Earth. Similarly, because the impersonalists who reach the Parampadam of the impersonal Brahmjyoti do not enter into the Vaika planets, they come down again to this material world and are given shelter in one of the material planets. Although they may attain Brahmloka or Satyaloka, all such planets are situated in the material world.